up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Now, as y'all seen by the title, hopefully this is the last day we're gonna be working on this fuel pump, because like I said before, I'm so sick and tired of working on this fuel. I've just literally been doing this for like 3 weeks straight. Even though I've been taking breaks, it's still, it should have took me at least just 1 day to finish this fuel pump. Because if y'all don't know, the fuel pump is in the middle of the motor, so you got to get under the car and you got to move a couple things, move the belts just to get to the fuel pump. So hopefully I'm able to finish that today. That's what this video gonna be about, then, so I can move on really, because next we need to clean that carburetor so I can see how it's gonna run. And yeah, the fuel pump is one of the main things I need to do, and then put an alternator on. I already put the alternator on. So yeah, hopefully we can get this finished today. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all so y'all be notified when I drop videos. And yeah, like I said, we finna try to finish this fuel pump, and then we gotta do the carburetor. Now, after we do all of that, hopefully when it warm back up a little bit, I'm gonna drive it and take it to get washed. So I'm gonna wash that one and the box, and then once we get all the motor work done and got it running right, we're gonna test fit these 22s, but I want to go 24s on there, and then I want to go 26s on the box, but I don't have any 26s right now. All I have is 122 and 124. Well, really 2 22s, but one of them already on my charger. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing later on. We're gonna be test fitting some wheels. Then I'm gonna sand down the car myself, because I'm probably gonna end up painting it myself. I just gotta find the paint. So yeah, that's probably what we're gonna be doing too. I'm probably gonna end up painting it myself. If not, I'm gonna try and find a paint man. But like I said, where I live, it's hard to find anybody that really do any of that stuff. It's mainly just mechanics, and ain't really people that do like interiors down here anymore, or people that paint. I have to go like 30 minutes to an hour away just to drop it off to get paint, you know. So yeah, we gotta figure out what we're gonna do about that. But this, like I said, this video, as y'all seen by the title, this should be the end of me working on this fuel pump. Hopefully we can get that done so I can go ahead and clean the carburetor, put the belts back on. And yeah, I'm gonna try and record 2 videos today, because yesterday, well, the last video y'all seen that day, I only got to record that 1 video because it took me so long trying to get the fuel pump on. Oh, and I meant to show y'all too. So I had to rig up something and make my own fuel line. So I told y'all in the last video I got frustrated and mad, and I snapped this fuel line in half. So I went ahead and went to AutoZone and got some rubber and went ahead and connected the fuel line. So we're gonna try and put that on there. Then after we finish the fuel pump, we're gonna put the belts back on. So that's all gonna be in this video. The next video we're gonna clean the carburetor and then turn it on and let it run. So like I said, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. And I'm finna get ready to uncover this car so I can get ready to put this fuel line on. Alright y'all, so y'all probably can't see it, but it's raining, it's sprinkling. So we're gonna try and move as fast as possible, do as much as we can. Let's see. I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update, show y'all where I just took the car cover off. I wanted to show y'all the fuel pump and what I was talking about with the fuel line. I'm gonna have to cut this fuel line a little more. Yeah, we're going to try and work as fast as possible. Y'all see I got the fuel pump already on. I just need to connect this fuel line to that bolt. I don't know if y'all can see it really. Y'all see that bolt? We gotta put it on that bolt. And I'm gonna have to cut this fuel line or something. I'm gonna have to cut this fuel line a little bit because I think I got way too much. So yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do. Y'all see I'm getting my wheels muddy, but I need to really get this car finished so we can move on and start doing other stuff. I need to get this car running right. So yeah, I'm finna get ready to try and put this fuel line on and put these belts back on. I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update before I got started, or show y'all where I was at before I got started, rather I say. So yeah, give me a second so I can do this real quick. Y'all can probably tell by the smile on my face. We done. We finished the freaking fuel pump, bro. Let's go. I got everything plugged up. Y'all see my little rigged up fuel metal line to the carburetor. Then we got the 2 plastic hoses on there, rubber hoses, whatever you want to call it. Don't matter to me because we got it done. Now I'm finna get ready to throw both of these belts back on. So I'm gonna have to get under the car. I'm probably finna get filthy again because it's, like I said, it's raining and the ground wet. But yeah, we finna get ready. Well, we done. Shoot, we finished the fuel pump, bro. I'm happy. So now I'm finna, like I said, I'm finna get ready to throw the belt on. This old fuel pump, y'all see it, how filthy it is. Sheesh, bro. I'm gonna have to throw that away. That's it. I'm gonna try and tighten that alternator too, cause it's loose. But we finished, bro. I'm just happy. You feel me? Got everything on. Got the hoses on. Got the fuel metal line on there, bro. We good to go now. So let me throw these belts on. I'm gonna come back to y'all. We probably not gonna start the car this video because I wanna do the carburetor cleaner and the engine should be cold. I shouldn't start the car up and revving and all that type of stuff. So yeah, we're probably not gonna start the car up because I wanna get the carburetor, do the carburetor cleaner. So y'all give me 1 second. Yeah, it took me a little bit over an hour, but I'm happy and we got everything done. Y'all see, we got both the belts back on, tightened up, everything done. Got the coolant put back in, got the bolt down. Oh shoot, I still got one more bolt I gotta put down. I still gotta put this bolt down. Y'all see me with gloves on because my hands is, you feel me? My hands is filthy. I don't want to get my camera dirty. I messed up by getting a white camera. But everything done. I can start cleaning up my tools. So now I'm finna get ready to start my next video so I can go home because I got a couple things I gotta do at home. And I gotta edit these couple videos. So yeah, we're finna get ready to get started on the next video, which is, well, y'all gonna end up, hopefully y'all see it anyways, but it's gonna be me cleaning the carburetor. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that too. I lost my train of thought. I wanted to show y'all this because I'm finished now after I say about 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks maybe, almost a whole month of working on this fuel pump. We got it. I think I got another filter at home. I'm gonna have to check it out. But yeah, we finally got it now. I'm finna tighten up the alternator in the next video too. I think I put the belt on wrong. I'm finna look and see. Probably gonna look up some stuff, the alternator. But we got y'all probably can't see it from here though now. But y'all see it, that little peak is peeking through a little bit. Let me see. Y'all see? Yeah, we got the fuel pump on. So yeah, I'm finna get ready to do my outro. So I'll catch y'all in a second. I appreciate y'all for watching so far. And yeah, I'm finna clean up some of these tools. I'll catch y'all in another second. Alright y'all, that's gonna be it for this one. We finally finished the fuel pump. So I'm so happy, so excited to be moving on from that. Now, in the next video y'all finna see, I don't want to spoil it because I want y'all to actually watch my stuff instead of me just telling y'all what's gonna happen. Then y'all tune in if y'all want to, if not. But I want y'all to actually tune in because we're finna try and do a couple things with the Cutlass next. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This was a long journey. It took us a long time. I'm dirty and everything, y'all see. It took us a long time to finally get this fuel pump done so we can get ready to move on to more things with this Cutlass. So make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified when I drop videos. Y'all let me know what else y'all want to see too. Y'all let me know what y'all think I should do with the cars. What kind of videos y'all want to see. If y'all want a Q&A video about me, Y'all let me know. Comment something down below in the comments, or just comment. Let me know how y'all day is going. You feel me? So y'all just let me know, and y'all let me know what's the best times y'all think I should post to. If I should post more towards the morning time, or like right towards the afternoon, like around 12, 1, 2, or if y'all think I should if I should keep posting at closer to nighttime like I've been doing. I know this summer I'm finna start going crazy with the videos, because like I said, I want this to be my job. I want to be able to entertain y'all, to show y'all what I'm working on, what I'm doing, how I'm living, all this type of stuff. You feel me? So that's why I'm finna go crazy this summer with these videos now. Y'all don't understand how happy I am finally be done with the Cutlass fuel pump. So yeah, like I was saying before, it's a couple things we gotta do, a couple more things I gotta do before I gotta leave. So I want to try and get this car back started. I need to fix the alternator. I need to clean the carburetor. So yeah, I'm finna get ready to head out on this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next one, because like I said, we got a couple things to do. I got a couple more to record. Now I told y'all before, I'm gonna just keep recording and posting, even if the video don't go as planned, I'm gonna still post it, because I just want stuff to post so I can have, you know, more content for y'all, so I can just entertain y'all, have stuff for y'all to watch. But yeah, I'm just rambling. But I hope y'all tuned in all the way to the end of this video. I hope y'all hit that like button for me, hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 3K. Yeah, y'all let me know what else kind of videos y'all want to see me do, and what else I should do with my cars, as in paint wise, wheel wise, music wise. So y'all just let me know. And any companies, bro, like I said, hit me up so we can work together on these on my cars. I need all the help I can get. So like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one.